first. It is like 11 something, I think, but my thoughts are spiraling into its depressive, destructive thoughts. So to counteract that, I'm moving my room around a bit. Taking that bookshelf right there, take everything off of it, flip it vertically, and then I'm gonna put it across that wall. And the wall that I was looking for. This is gonna piss me off. That's so much better. I don't know what to say. My bed in the open, my desk, my bookshelf, and my cart. So this feels a lot better and it feels a lot more open. Well, it will feel a lot more open once I tackle that laundry right there. That evil pile of laundry. Well, I realize now this was my way of procrastinating my editing. Bruh. Yeah, sorry guys. Oh my god. This is my first time ordering this too. What? I guess I'm going to go return this today, but first, how does this even happen? Maybe just out of courtesy, I should probably take this down in case anything else happens, because the good thing about me cleaning my room is I found my Noonie lip tint. I was actually so happy about that. I was like, oh my god, I've been looking for you. I have this one, this cherry one, this plum one. It's not that bad, but I did find it a bit too dark for my liking. But it's not that bad. I guess it just really depends on what I'm going for that day. My bangs have gotten so long to the point where I can do this with my bangs and I'm gonna look like one of those girls in the anime. You know what I'm talking about, guys? Oh fuck. Finished my makeup. I saw this thing on TikTok where if you have a more rounder face, you should base your blush a bit more to your center. So that's what I've been trying to do these past couple of days that I put makeup on. So that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. I'm gonna go find a sweater and we're gonna go to the UPS store. A little tired. And I kind of want to stop for matcha. So that's like a very big maybe. Next time I go to Subway, I get a free footlong. Every fourth, okay, this just shows how much I eat Subway. Like every fourth footlong is free. This is my third footlong, so I'm pretty sure the next time I go, I'm getting it for free. Fire! I know there's a lot of hate around Subway though. Like I think growing up, people would be like, ew, why are you eating Subway? Like, girl, please. Subway's kind of fire. Which one would you guys eat first? Because I eat both of these within like 6 inches of the Subway. Maybe this one.